This exercise is called 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. It promotes a clear and even tone anywhere in the bow. A lot of the times we just draw our bow back and forth and we don't really think about the weight. Down here at the frog, you have a ton of weight. You have the frog, which is heavier than the upper half of the bow, as well as you have the whole weight of your hand. So anytime you're playing at the frog, if you're not thinking about where the weight is, you're going to get a very harsh sound. On the opposite end of that, when you're playing at the tip, there's hardly any weight at the tip, and so if you're not thinking about the weight there, it's going to be very light and airy. So if you're not transferring the weight evenly, this is what a bow stroke would sound like. Really heavy at the bottom, really light at the top. So what we want to do is even that out. And so how we're going to do that is you're going to start at the tip with just your index finger and your thumb on the bow. As you draw the bow toward your frog, you're going to gradually add each of the other 3 fingers. Once you get to the frog, you're going to draw the bow back the other way and release each of the fingers. So this is what it will look like. So obviously when you're playing a piece or performing something, you're not going to be doing this with your bow hand the whole time. But that's just to give you a visual and a feel for how the weight should be transferring. And then eventually you can do it with your fingers on. So even though my fingers are staying on the bow, I can still feel here, I can feel the weight in my pointer finger. And as I draw the bow up, I feel the weight transfer to my pinky.